In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise audio volume on a timeline in Soundation. We'll walk through logging in, opening or creating a project, and finally adjusting the volume so your audio is clear, consistent, and right where you want it. Start by heading to the Soundation website and clicking Login. Choose the account you want to use and sign in. If you have access to multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you're entering the one where your project lives so everything you need is available as soon as you land on the dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct profile before moving on. Once you're in the dashboard, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, give your project a clear, memorable name that reflects what you're editing so it's easy to find later. If you already have a project set up, simply select it to open. Either way, you'll be taken into the project view where your media, tracks, and timelines are organized. Inside your project, navigate to the timeline where you want to raise the volume. This is the visual space where your audio and any other media are arranged. Look for the volume slider associated with the timeline or the audio you're focusing on. In most layouts, it's near the timeline controls or alongside your audio track, typically marked with a speaker icon or a dB indicator. Now carefully calibrate the slider until you reach your desired loudness. Make gradual adjustments and listen as you go. For best results, use earbuds or headphones so you can hear subtle changes more clearly. Keep an eye on the level meter if one is visible. You'll want strong signal without clipping. If the meter is hitting the red, that's a sign to pull the slider down a bit to avoid distortion. A good practical aim is to keep peaks strong but controlled so speech or music sounds full without harshness. If you overshoot, no worries, just nudge the slider back down until it feels balanced. You can also play a few different parts of your timeline to make sure the louder and quieter sections are both sitting well after your change. That's all there is to it. Log in and choose your account, open or create your project from the dashboard, head to the timeline you're working on, and calibrate the volume slider until it sounds just right. When you're satisfied with the result, you're ready to move on with your edit or share your work with confidence.